Alright guys, welcome to 4.6 Savage. I wanted to give a little tidbit of information that I found out while doing my cam install. The aftermarket cams do not accept the stock cam bolts. You need 12mm bolts to use aftermarket cams. These bolts can be found on Modular Head Sport. You can find ARP bolts, but what I found out from Todd was you can use 4/6 crank bolts. They work and they fit the cams just like they're supposed to. And this allows us to bolt the cam gear up, because right now the only thing I'm waiting on to finish my video is for my cam bolts. I have them, I just haven't had the time to go over and go ahead and bolt the cam gears up. The cams are in, the cam gear is on, it's just not bolted up. So it's pretty straightforward. I'm going to try to fix my lighting, because I realized from a couple of y'all's comments that was a problem of mine. The GoPro does not do good in low level light at all. So there's that. But that is all for this video. Like and subscribe, and remember, be savage.